Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your photography business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top now and I'm going to search for my market for my photography business. Now, there is an option for a wedding photographer, commercial photographer, aerial photographer if you specialize in one of those. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and select the general photographer option. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our photography business so it can generate a simple website for us. Let's go ahead and put in our company name. Love the name, as well as our city and our state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue and let multi-sites work its magic and generate a website for me. And look at that, it's already done it. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're already quite high quality, as you can see. They're not just taken on a mobile phone, and they're all completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images, assuming you do because you're a professional photographer, and I'm sure you've got some amazing shots you want to display on your website, and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was written for you as a guideline, you absolutely can do that. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. I'm going to be walking you through each process, each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through it just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel and see how well the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you either. It's super simple, so let's get cracking. I'm now going to head to update section at the top and click on that button. Over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in my email address. And the first thing I want to do is say show email inside. So my email is displayed on my Marty Sites website. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number, and that will be displayed next to that email address. And it is click to call, by the way. Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code as we previously put in our city and our state. Our address will be displayed in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your business. Let's go ahead and save that and move on to the social links. So over here, you can go ahead and put all the social media platforms that your photography business is active on, assuming it's all of them, because you have really beautiful images to display on social media. Icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner next to that email address. Let's move along. I'm now going to head to update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your photography business, that's completely okay. You can update it at a later stage. For now, Marty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great. There's nothing wrong with it. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. If you don't have a logo yet and you don't have a huge budget for a graphic designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are a few great options on there that are completely free to use. You can make your logo bigger and smaller. However, I think it's perfect the way it was, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And now I'm going to move on. Now, with Mighty Sites, we've pre-selected all the colors as well used throughout this website for you. However, perhaps in your business cards, your logo, or your advertising, it's a completely different color, not this color that's used here. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different options available. So I'm going to scroll right my way to the end and see which one is suitable for me. I think I'm going to go with red for this one. Awesome. Let's move on. Over here, I'm going to hit to update section and hit to update image. Now over here, you can upload your beautiful masterpieces of photos you've taken. Go ahead and browse your device. Otherwise, search through the photo library if you don't have photos as yet because you're still in the startup process. It will automatically search for photographer, so just see which one works well for you. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. Let's see how well that works, if it fits well in this space. Okay, let's reselect that one and choose a different option. I'm going to go ahead and select this one then. That looks pretty good. Awesome. Look at that. It fits really well and looks really awesome. Now over here, I'm going to hit to update content. You can change that title and subtitles to suit your needs. Button, let's go ahead and put it as get in touch. Over here, we can link the button to various places. We can link to another website. So perhaps you have a calendar booking app that you use to book initial consults. Go ahead and put that link here. Otherwise, an action like click to call, click to email, directions. So I'm going to put it as click to call for this one. Another one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file of your different photos you've taken in the past, or the different sessions you offer. Maybe you offer different packages. Go ahead and pop them in a PDF file. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically go to the PDF file you've just uploaded. Over here, another great spot, pre-written content, button can link to various places. All you need to do is click on update section and make those changes. We've now made our way into the about us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've been a photographer for, what's your favorite style of images to shoot. Do you work with magazines? Do you only do weddings? Do you do family portraits? Go ahead and put all the details over here, how your passion for photography started. Your customers would love to hear your story. Over here, you can put an awesome image of yourself so your customers can see the face of your photography business. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image that you've taken. Go ahead and click on update section, browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, feel free to use that photo library, hundreds of images to choose from. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different services you offer. So maybe some things to include are, do you offer photo books? If you're shooting weddings or events, can you put everything in a photo album or a photo book? I know that's quite popular. Do you offer different sessions? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know exactly what they can come to you for. If you need to make any amendments to that address, physical location, go ahead and click on update section over here. Now, if you have a custom domain, you can definitely connect it. At Mighty Sites, we understand with a professional website comes a custom domain. Go ahead and click view our blog. There is a step-by-step guide on our blog, as well as some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. There is a YouTube tutorial available as well, by the way, on our channel with a step-by-step guide to linking your domain. If you need any assistance, Mighty Sites can help you, but we're excited to let you know that you can now purchase your domain through the Mighty Sites platform. We've just added the feature, so that's really exciting. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your photographer business. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month for the service. There is a free trial available though for 7 days, and you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So go ahead and click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. If there's any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you don't forget to subscribe to our channel.